Geography class. In last videos we completed 3 lessons with exercise. Let us now start the 4th lesson. The name of our 4th lesson is Structure of Ocean Floor. The name of our 4th lesson is Structure of Ocean Floor. Here student, you see the figure 4.1 various landforms. Various types of landform here you see on the figure 4.1. Can you tell continent and ocean are the part of the lithosphere and hydrosphere respectively? Continent and the ocean are the part of lithosphere and hydrosphere respectively. Continents and ocean lie on plates. During low tides, the level of ocean water goes down and the land below the water near coast is exposed. Ships wreck when they strike against the rock in the ocean. If the above points are correct, then select the most appropriate option from the following. Here student, the surface of the earth is occupied by land and water. You know student, the surface of the earth is occupied by land and water. There is land below the ocean too. There is land below the ocean too. Even if the water has the same level, the land submerged is not even. Here student, our 4 point, the level of water and land is uneven. Means the level of water is not same, uneven. Discuss in the class regarding the choice of your option. Our next point is geographical explanation. We know that the proportion of water and land is uneven on the earth. You know student, this is not same water and land on the earth. Around it 71% of surface is covered by water. You know student, on the earth 71% is covered by water, but there is land even below this water. But like water, it is not at the same level. You know student, around the 71% surface is covered by water, but like water, it is not at the same level. We classified the various landforms on the earth on the basis of altitudes. Here student, figure 4.1, you see the various landforms. A similar classification can be done for landforms submerged under the water. Similar classification can be done for landforms submerged under the water. Here student, our next point, think about is, its point reduced in our syllabus for this year. Think about it is reduced in our syllabus. So you self-study from textbook. Then our next point is, can you tell? Try the name of landform shown in figure 4.1. You see the figure 4.1 various landforms. What parameters were used for classifying the landforms on the earth? What parameters were used for naming the landforms below the water? The next point is geographical explanation, the relief of ocean floor. Here student, next point is relief of ocean floor. Land submerged below ocean water is called ocean floor. What is ocean floor? Land submerged below the oceanic water is called the ocean floor. Land submerged below oceanic water is called the ocean floor. The relief of ocean floor is decided upon by depth from the sea floor and the shape of the land here. What is meant by ocean floor? Land submerged below oceanic water is called ocean floor. The relief of ocean floor is decided upon by the depth from the sea floor and shape of the land there. The average depth of ocean is around 3,700 meters. Average depth of ocean is around 3,007 meters. The ocean bed is also uneven like the land on the continents. The average depth of the ocean is around 3,700 meters. The ocean bed is also uneven like the land on continents. The ocean floor relief consists of all submerged landforms. The structure of ocean floor differs from ocean to ocean. We will look at the square of the landforms and the details of major landforms on the ocean floor. As we go away from the coast structure of ocean floor, changes, study the explanation below and figure 4.2. Here student, you see the figure 4.2, ocean relief. Continental, coast, shelf, slope. Here marine island, mid-ocean ridges, sea level, continents, marine deep and marine trenches. Here figure 4.2, ocean relief. Here complete our point, the relief of the ocean floor.